The Snoring Dragon. In the village of Hootendale there lived a dragon named Snorful who snored like a thunderstorm. Every night his snores were so loud that they made the chickens lay scrambled eggs and the cows give milkshakes. One evening the villagers gathered at the town square desperate for a solution. "I can't knit with all that racket," grumbled Granny Twinkle. "My plants are doing the cha-cha-cha," exclaimed Farmer Bob. Young Timmy, with a twinkle in his eye, said, "Let's invite Snorful for a sleepover and figure this out together." The villagers agreed, and they sent Timmy to deliver the invitation. Snorful, munching on his favorite snack roast marshmallows, was thrilled. He arrived at the village carrying his giant teddy bear, ready for the fun. As night fell, the villagers offered Snorful a cozy spot in the town square with the fluffiest blankets and pillows. They tried everything: silken earplugs, calming lullabies, and even a giant teddy bear hug, but nothing worked. Snorful's snores only grew louder. Then, Timmy had a brilliant idea. He handed Snorful a pair of giant nose plugs shaped like carrots. With a chuckle, Snorful put them on and lay down to sleep. Miraculously, the snores turned into gentle whispers, like a soft breeze. The villagers cheered and laughed, finally able to rest. Snorful's snoring was tamed, but he still got to munch on his roast marshmallows and enjoyed the best sleepover ever. From that night on, Snorful's snoring became a soothing lullaby, and the villagers slept soundly, chuckling at their clever solution. Chand.